everybody, it's Mike Smith from Hawkeye Options, and delighted that you could join me today for today's trading tip. We are looking at the financials, who did relatively well after the non-farm payrolls on Friday, and have all moved up a little bit. MS in particular interests us simply because of where it is from a price point of view. As you can see, we've had this big move up in July on the daily chart, a little bit of a retracement back into congestion before we again moved up. Now, this level we're at now is particularly important. We will see a green volume bar come on the daily chart. We also have it on the 2-day and weekly charts as well. And what I want to point out to you of particular note is the level that we closed at on Friday. And if you look at the weekly chart, you can see how important this level of around about 31.50 actually is. You can see how it was support from mid-July right through to the end of the year in 2015. And obviously we're back at that level now, looking to push through that. I'm up towards $35. If we take it back even further, you can see again how it was pretty important at the end of 2014 as well. So this is a crucial level we see the financials at, and particularly MS is a great example of that. In terms of how we play this, well, it is difficult. Obviously, the market looks as though it's stalled a little bit. We're not getting the buying volume coming in. We've had financials have underperformed the market as a whole in terms of where it is. So perhaps a medium-term bull call spread, perhaps at 34, 35 or 33, $34 strikes with 2 to 3 months expiry, or even a diagonal call spread. We like diagonal call spreads at the minute. The overall market volatility is low, which means the long-term position is relatively cheap, and we can certainly obviously reduce risk and potentially make a nice sum of money by continually selling calls over any long-term call that we have. That's probably the strategy we will choose. And for today's trading tip. And that's just one of the trades I'm considering for today. So before we go, if you'd like to see everything I'm considering and see the trades I'm really taking, why not take a trial to my Options Elite alert and trading service? That way, you can see exactly how I find the best trades that can produce the largest returns whilst keeping the risk low. Just click on the link below and get started today. You'll be glad you did. See you soon.